Hello student, now we are going to learn an important topics, engineering skill. It is mainly theory portion of engineering skill. Normally, scale is used to measure linear dimension or angular dimension. It is not always possible or convenient to draw drawings of an object to its actual size. Okay. For instance, drawing of very big objects like buildings, bridges, large machines, ship, etc. cannot be prepared in full size, cannot be drawn in original size because they would be too big to accommodate on the drawing sheet. Okay. Drawings of very small object like precision instruments, watches, electronics devices, small machine parts, mathematical instruments, etc. also cannot be prepared in full size, cannot be drawn in original size because they would be too small to draw and read. Okay. A convenient scale is always chosen to prepare the drawings of big as well as small sized objects in proportionately smaller or larger sizes. We draw a big objects in proportionately smaller size and we draw a small objects in proportionately big size. Okay. The proportion by which the drawing of a object is enlarged or reduced is called the scale of the drawing. Okay. A scale is defined as the ratio of the linear dimension of the element of the object as represented in a drawing to the actual dimension of the same element of the object itself. that means length of the drawing by actual length of the object. This ratio is called scale. Now, what are the types of scale? Number 1, full size scale. Number 2, reducing scale. Number 3, enlarging scale. Now, another way, types of scale: A, plane scale. Number 2, diagonal scale. Number 3, vernier scale. And number 4, chord scale. Now, what is full size scale? What is full size scale? The scale in which the actual measurement of the object are done to same size on the drawing is known as full size scale. Here, length of the drawing and length of the object are same. Here, RF equal to 1:1. RF means representative fraction equal to length of the drawing by actual length of the object equal to 1:1, same. Now, what is reducing scale? The scale in which the actual measurement of the object are reduced to some proportion is known as reducing scale. Here, length of the drawing is smaller than actual length of the object with some proportion. Example: building drawing, bridges, etc. Here, RF representative fraction equal to length of the drawing by actual length of the object. As length of the drawing is smaller, then RF equal to less than 1. Example: RF equal to 1/100. Length of the drawing 1, actual length of the object 100. So RF equal to 1:100 or 1/100. Now, what is enlarging scale? The scale in which the actual measurement of the object are increased to some proportion is known as enlarging scale. Here, length of the drawing is greater than actual length of the object with some proportion. Example, parts of watches, electronics component, etc. Here RF greater than 1. RF equal to representative fraction equal to length of the drawing by actual length of the object. Length of the drawing greater than actual length of the object, so RF greater than 1. Example, RF equal to 10 by 1. Length of the drawing 10, actual length of the object 1, so RF equal to 10:1. Okay. Now, what is plane scale or simple scale? Plane scale represent consecutive purport 2 unit or a unit and its subdivision. That means plane scale measure up to 2 decimal. For example, millimeter and centimeter. Plane scale represent 2 unit, consecutive 2 unit, millimeter and centimeter. This is the figure of a plane scale. Here, bigger division, this division represent 1 kilometer, this is 1 kilometer, this is 1 kilometer. All bigger division represent 1 kilometer, and this division again divided into 10 equal part. All subdivision are represent 1 hectometer. In general purpose scale, 0 is marked at the beginning, but in engineering scale, 0 will be marked at the end of the first main division. This is the main division. This is the first main division. Okay. Now, what is diagonal scale? When measurements are required in consecutive purport 3 units or up to 3 decimal. For example, a diagonal scale measure 3 unit, consecutive 3 unit, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, or measure up to 3 decimal. This is the figure of a diagonal scale. The main division, all main division represent 100 meter. This is 100 meter, this is 100 meter, this is 100 meter, this is 100 meter. In general purpose scale, 0 is marked at the beginning, but in engineering scale, 0 will be marked at the end of the first main division, this is marked as 0. This main division is again divided into 10 equal parts. All parts represent 10 meter. Okay, this is 0, this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, in the way this is 100. Now again this is divided into 10 equal parts. All division are represent 1 meter. So in diagonal scale represent consecutive 3 units, or it can measure up to 3 decimal. Okay. Now, before constructing a scale, it is necessary to know its RF and maximum length to be measured and division it has to show. Now RF full form, RF means representative fraction. Definition of RF representative fraction equal to length of the drawing by actual length of the object. No unit of RF. For example, length of the drawing 1 centimeter, actual length of the object 1 meter. So representative fraction RF equal to length of the drawing 1 centimeter by length of the actual object 1 meter equal to 1 centimeter by 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, centimeter cut, then it is 1 by 100. So RF equal to 1 by 100 or 1 is to 100. Now an important matter, what is the length of the scale? What is the length of the scale? Length of the scale equal to RF representative fraction into maximum length required to measure. Maximum length required to measure in our factory or in our drawing office. This will be the length of the scale. It is clear, my student? Thank you.